is up? What is up? It's my happy Friday. As you guys already know, it's Thursday in the house. Oh, yes. As you guys already know, we burn it down with happy face frowns over here. Oh, room, yeah. With all the controversy going on with Xbox Series X, with them releasing right here, Redfall, with the bad reception, make sure you guys also go check out my unboxing of this real, raw, and uncut right about now. Because we got a lot of crybaby ass Xbox gamers crying about Redfall, real, raw, and uncut. Even though, you know, Phil Spencer out there is sobbing, you know, saying to himself, he's so sorry the way he put out the game, blah, 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 blah. But anyways, like I said, I'm going to give the company time. I'm going to give them a chance to fix their game. Real, raw, and uncut. And also make sure you guys check me out on Twitch if you guys want to catch me go live streaming and get down with the boogie down. But we ain't talking about that right now. As you guys already know, we got the Xbox Series X Elite controllers. As you guys already know, last year, I think it was last year, we got the white version right there, real, raw, and uncut of this great controller that I had to, you know, run and pick up. Actually, this is the core. So the core meaning that it doesn't come with the charger, doesn't come with all the, you know, great necessities with the casings and the, you know, great other, you know, thumbsticks, as you guys already can tell right there, real, raw, and uncut. And then, like I said, y'all, my original Elite controller, real, raw, and uncut, had kind of like worn out, you know what I'm saying? I can't find the case nowhere. I got it somewhere in this clutter type of mess. So you guys already know I had to replace that one and get me another one, real, raw, and uncut. And like I said, Xbox, you know, Series X is a good console. They just, you know, dropped the ball and they have to put out these games and make what Xbox used to be, real, raw, and uncut, and get up off that Game Pass game, aka game ass is what I call it. But yeah, but like I said, y'all, make sure you guys rate, comment, subscribe to the channel, because I know you guys love me, real, raw, with uncut. But today in the video, I want to bring you guys right here, the core, the blue one, real, raw, with uncut. Now this originally just got released, I think, 2 weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago, and I was finally getting back around to finally bringing it to the channel to unbox it for you guys. Like I said, thumbs this video up, real, raw, and uncut, because I love you guys, and check me out on Twitch, real, raw, and uncut. But yeah, let's see what they got up in this box. We already know it's going to look the same like the other core controllers. They also have this in a, you know, other color, which is red. So like I said, you can go get the red color, or you can actually go on Design Labs and also make your own controller, which I'm pretty much, that's my next step of what I am going to do, is get my own Xbox Elite controller made in my custom colors that I like. So let's open it up, y'all, and see what we got going on up in here. And I hope a lot of you guys is having a great day, you know what I'm saying, because like I said, we got a lot of kids graduating. It's almost summertime out here, real, raw, and uncut, you know what I'm saying. Everybody get ready to party it up, yeah, y'all, because you guys already know how it goes down up in here on the Big Bear the Bear. Okay, here we go. Ooh, that's what's up, y'all. Like I said, y'all, it's so blue, it's so metallic-y looking. And like I said, y'all, the first edition of the Xbox Elite controller, it was okay, but it started to fall apart. But these second edition controllers are built way much better, because I had my other ones for a very long time, and as you guys can see right here, this is looking very slick and clean right there. Let me put it up close to the video and show you guys, real, raw, and uncut out there, yeah, y'all. So as you guys already know, blue is actually my favorite color. You know what I'm saying? Light, it's more like a light baby blue and gray, but light baby blue is really pretty much cool. And it's got a little bit of that and some dark, you know, infused, shaded like blue colors. And like I said, at the top right here, these are like a metallic, you know, off finished color right there, real, raw, and uncut. And you also got the triggers on the back. You know, I got a couple of, you know, extra triggers from my other old controller right there that I'm going to be using on the back of here. And in the box, let's see what we got going on. I think we got the cord, I believe. Yes. Oh, and also the cord is also blue. It's not black. Oh, wow. I'm loving that. You see the cord right there? This is pretty nice. It's pretty cool. So like I said, y'all, that's pretty much... Okay, we got some other stuff in here. We have the instruction manuals, and we have another one of these turn dials, as you guys already know. I think I got one over here somewhere. I don't know what I did with it, but yeah, so we have another one of these turn dials where you can, you know, control the Joy-Cons, the joysticks right there. the thumbsticks, how you want to interchange and interlock real raw and uncut. I got Nintendo on the brain, you know what I'm saying, because Microsoft been working with Nintendo, you know, here and there, real raw and uncut. And like I said, y'all, give you guys another showcasing of the Xbox Series X right there, core controller right there, the blue color, real raw and uncut. And like I said, y'all, you know what I'm saying, make sure you guys also go pick you up one, real raw and uncut. And check me out on Twitch so we can all have a good time, you know what I'm saying, and talk it up, you know what I'm saying. Sometimes I'm going to be throwing some podcasts up on there. Oh, yeah!
We are